Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Tom and Anna.
Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for coming back to our channel again.
My name is Tom,
And I'm Anna.
and today we are going to learn a very important English grammar topic in a super easy way.
Yes, today we will learn something that many English learners find confusing.
That is absolutely right. Today we will learn future simple and future perfect.
And trust me, after this lesson, this topic will feel very easy.
Exactly. In this lesson, you will learn sentence structure, helping verbs, verb forms, positive sentences, negative sentences, questions, WH questions, common mistakes, and daily life examples.
We will also practice spoken English sentences that people use in real life.
So please stay with us because by the end of this video, you will understand both tenses very clearly.
And you will feel more confident when speaking English.
So let's begin.
Tom, first tell me something simple.
Sure.
What is future simple?
Very good question.
Thank you.
Future simple is used when we talk about something that will happen in the future.
Future means after now, right?
Exactly.
Can you give me a very easy example?
Of course. Listen carefully.
I'm listening.
I will go to school tomorrow.
Oh, nice. The action happens later.
Exactly right.
Can I say, I will eat dinner tonight?
Perfect.
Can I say, we will watch a movie later?
Excellent example.
So, future simple means future action.
Yes, something that will happen later.
Now tell us the structure.
Very easy structure.
I'm ready.
Subject plus will plus base verb plus object.
Can you repeat slowly?
Sure.
Okay.
Subject,
Yes.
will,
Okay.
base verb,
Simple.
then object.
Very easy.
Now examples.
Let's do it.
I will study English.
He will play cricket.
They will buy a car.
She will call me later.
We will visit our grandmother.
My brother will clean the room.
Good job.
Tom, what is base verb?
Good question.
Please explain.
Base verb means simple verb.
Example?
Eat, go, study, play, write, speak.
So, not eating, not played, not gone.
Exactly.
Very nice.
Now let's learn negative sentences.
This is important.
Very important.
Tell us the rule.
Subject plus will not plus base verb plus object.
Will not.
Yes.
Can we say won't?
Yes, won't is short form.
Nice.
Now examples time.
I'm ready.
I will not go outside.
She will not come today.
They won't buy the phone.
We won't miss the class.
He will not eat pizza.
My father won't drive tonight.
Perfect.
Can I make one sentence?
Of course.
I will not sleeping early.
Almost correct.
Oh no.
We do not say sleeping here
Why?
because after will we use base verb.
So sleeping is wrong?
Yes.
Correct sentence?
I will not sleep early.
Ah, I understand now.
Great job.
Many students make this mistake.
Exactly.
Now questions, please.
Okay.
How do we ask questions?
Very simple.
Tell me.
Will plus subject plus base verb plus object.
Will comes first?
Yes.
Examples, please.
Will you come tomorrow?
Will she help me?
Will they join us?
Will he call tonight?
Will your friend visit us?
Will we finish this work?
Excellent.
Let me try one.
Go ahead.
Will she comes tomorrow?
Small mistake.
Again?
Yes.
What is wrong?
After will, always base verb.
So comes is wrong.
Exactly.
Correct sentence?
Will she come tomorrow?
Only come.
Exactly.
Very interesting.
Now let's learn WH questions.
I love this part.
WH questions begin with words like what, where, why, when, who, how.
And structure?
WH word plus will plus subject plus base verb.
Examples, please.
Where will you go?
Where will she eat?
When will they arrive?
Why will he leave early?
How will you learn English?
Who will help you?
Perfect.
Tom, can I ask something funny?
Sure.
Why will my brother eat 5 burgers?
That is a dangerous question.
Because he loves burgers.
Very funny.
Thank you.
Now, let's practice spoken English.
Real-life examples?
Exactly.
Let's go.
I will call you later.
I will see you tomorrow.
We will meet after lunch.
I will help you.
Don't worry, I will fix it.
I will text you tonight.
I will finish my homework later.
I will buy coffee for you.
These are very common daily English sentences.
So practice them again and again.
Exactly.
Now tell me about future perfect.
Now, we move to the second tense.
This sounds difficult.
Many students think that.
But today, we make it easy.
Exactly.
So what is future perfect?
Future perfect talks about an action that will finish before a future time.
Little confusing.
Don't worry.
Please explain simply.
Imagine this sentence.
Okay.
I will finish my work by 8 p.m.
So the work finishes before 8 p.m.
Exactly.
That means action is complete in the future.
Perfect understanding.
So future simple is future action.
Correct.
And future perfect is completed future action.
Exactly right.
Now tell us structure.
Very easy.
Listening carefully.
Subject plus will have plus third form of verb plus object.
Third form?
Yes.
Example?
Eat becomes eaten.
Okay.
Go becomes gone.
Got it.
Write becomes written.
Understood.
Study becomes studied.
Easy.
Now, positive examples.
Let's practice.
I will have finished my homework.
She will have cooked dinner.
They will have reached home.
He will have completed the project.
We will have watched the movie.
The train will have arrived.
Very good.
Let me try one.
Go ahead.
I will have finished my work.
Close.
Mistake again?
Yes.
Tell me.
After will have, use third form.
So finish is wrong.
Yes.
Correct sentence?
I will have finished my work.
Finished is correct.
Exactly.
I understand now.
Very nice.
Now, questions.
Let's do it.
What is the structure?
Will plus subject plus have plus third form plus object.
Examples?
Will you have finished the work?
Will she have reached home?
Will they have completed the project?
Will he have eaten dinner?
Will we have arrived on time?
Will your brother have studied enough?
Excellent.
My turn.
Go ahead.
Will she have finished work?
Almost correct.
Again, third form problem?
Exactly.
Correct sentence.
Will she have finished work?
Finished.
Perfect.
I think students are learning well now.
I hope so.
And if not,
Practice more.
exactly.
Now let's learn WH questions in future perfect.
This is important too.
Structure is simple.
Tell us.
WH word plus will plus subject plus have plus third form.
Examples, please.
When will you have finished the project?
Where will she have gone?
Why will he have left early?
How will they have completed the work?
What will you have learned by next month?
Who will have reached first?
Excellent.
Now I want daily life examples.
Great idea.
Students remember better with daily examples.
Exactly.
Let's begin.
I will have finished dinner by 9 p.m.
I will have completed my homework before sleeping.
She will have cleaned the kitchen before guests arrive.
He will have left the office by 6 p.m.
They will have reached the airport by noon.
We will have watched the movie before dinner.
My father will have returned home by evening.
These sound very natural.
Because native speakers use these often.
Now let's do mini practice.
Great idea.
Everyone watching, practice with us.
Yes, say the answers loudly.
Ready, everyone?
Sentence number 1.
Tomorrow, I, blank, visit my friend.
Pause the video.
Think carefully.
Answer is
Will.
correct sentence.
Tomorrow, I will visit my friend.
Very good.
Next one.
By 7 p.m., I blank finished my work.
Think carefully.
Answer is
Will have.
correct sentence.
By 7 p.m., I will have finished my work.
Excellent.
Next one.
She blank go to school tomorrow.
Easy.
Answer
Will.
correct.
She will go to school tomorrow.
Very good.
One more.
By Monday, she blank completed the project.
Answer?
Will have.
Exactly.
Now, let's talk about common mistakes.
This is super important.
Yes,
Mistake number 1.
using verb plus ing after will.
Example,
Wrong sentence.
I will going.
Correct sentence.
I will go.
Exactly.
Mistake number 2.
Using first form after will have.
Example,
Wrong sentence.
I will have eat dinner.
Correct sentence.
I will have eaten dinner.
Excellent.
Mistake number 3.
Adding extra helping verb.
Example,
Wrong sentence.
she will is come tomorrow.
Correct sentence.
She will come tomorrow.
Exactly.
Many students make these mistakes.
Yes, but practice fixes everything.
I like that.
Now let's make a small conversation.
Real English practice.
Exactly.
You start.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will visit my cousin.
Nice.
What will you do tonight?
I will watch a football match.
Good.
Will you study English tomorrow?
Yes, I will study for 2 hours.
Excellent.
Now, future perfect conversation.
Okay.
Will you have finished your work by 6 p.m.?
Yes, I will have finished everything.
Will you have eaten dinner by 9 p.m.?
Yes, I will have eaten by then.
Very nice.
Students, try making your own conversation
Comment your example sentence below.
and practice speaking loudly.
Do not just watch.
Speak with us.
That is how English improves.
Exactly.
Now, quick revision.
Future simple.
Subject plus will plus base verb.
Used for future action.
Example,
I will study.
future perfect.
Subject plus will have plus third form.
Used for completed future action.
Example.
I will have studied by 10 p.m.
Perfect.
And remember one important thing.
Practice daily.
Make your own sentences.
Speak without fear.
Mistakes are normal,
Every good English speaker started as a beginner.
so never feel nervous.
You can do it.
We believe in you.
And if this lesson helped you,
Please support us.
subscribe to English with Tom and Anna.
Like this video.
Share it with your friends.
Comment one future simple sentence.
And one future perfect sentence.
We love reading your comments.
Thank you for learning with us.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
Keep practicing English every single day.
And keep improving little by little.
We will see you again very soon.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning English.